In this video, you will learn how to build this apartment floor plan in 2D and visualize it in 3D. To get started, just download this apartment floor plan from Wikimedia. You can find the link in the description. Just right-click on the plan and select Save Images. Next, open Sweet Home 3D and go to Plan and select Import Background Image. In this dialog box, click Choose Image, browse for the file, select it, and click Open. Then click Continue. For a better visibility, make this dialog box larger. Unfortunately, there are no dimension lines or scale bar on the plan, so use the kitchen countertop as a reference. To do this, just align this reference line with the countertop. You can zoom in and out with these buttons here. A standard countertop depth is 24 inches or 60 centimeters. Enter this value here to scale your plan. If you have dimension lines or scale bar, use one of them for the scaling process. Once it's done, click Continue. And finally, click Finish. As the result, the floor plan appeared on your plan view. To enlarge this area, just move your mouse here, click and drag with your left mouse button, and move your cursor down. As the next step, create the walls using the imported floor plan. Go to the toolbar and click Create Walls button. Then move to one of the corners, left-click with your mouse, and start drawing a wall. If your standard wall is too thick, go to the toolbar and click Edit Preferences. In this dialog box, you can decrease your base wall thickness in this section. For example, set it to 6 inches. Then click OK. Delete this wall segment and start creating a new wall. Left-click with your mouse and move your cursor. At the corners, just left-click with your mouse and continue drawing. Each click adds a new connected wall segment. To close the wall chain, double-click on the starting point with your left mouse button. And here are some quick tips. If you want to use custom angles instead of standard angles, hold down the Alt key and you can move your cursor freely, or turn off the magnetism tool in the toolbar. You can also set precise wall length, angle, and thickness while drawing. To do this, start drawing a wall segment, then press the Enter key, and in this tooltip, you can set an exact length, angle, or even thickness. After the changes, press Enter, and continue the process with the other wall segment. If you want to adjust the position of your existing wall, just zoom in the plan view area. To do this, hold down the Ctrl key and scroll with your mouse wheel. After zooming, just select the wall segment, grab it with your mouse, and you can relocate it. If you want to move it only horizontally or vertically, hold down the Shift key. For precise positioning, you can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Next, create the interior walls. As the first step, go back to the Preferences dialog box and set its wall thickness, for example, 4 inches. Then click OK. Now select Create Walls tool in the toolbar. Then left-click with your mouse and draw a new wall segment. This dashed blue reference line helps you to find the center line of your wall segments. To adjust the position of the wall segment, just select them again and use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Once it's done, repeat the process on the other internal wall segments as well. To extend the wall segment, just select it, move your cursor to its endpoint, grab it with the left mouse button, and move it. Create the other interior walls. Creating these wall segments around the kitchen can be tricky. Because of the angle, you don't have the reference line. Because of this, the best practice is to use a trick. Just start drawing a wall and click on the end of the wall to create a new wall segment. Continue drawing in a straight line, then click again at the endpoint of the other wall segment, and finally double click with the mouse to finish the wall segment. Once it's done, go to the toolbar, click Select Tool, select this wall segment, and press Delete. As the next step, let's create the floors. Go to the toolbar and select Create Rooms tool. Next, go to the bedroom and double click with the left mouse button. This will create a floor inside the room automatically. Repeat the same process in the bathroom as well. If you double click with the left mouse button here, this will create a floor in the entire area. But this is not a problem because you can create floors manually. Just zoom in and create a floor to this sitting area. Just move your cursor to the corner, click with the left mouse button in each corner. In the last corner, double click the left mouse button. Repeat the same in the study and the kitchen as well. With this technique, you will have two different floors above each other. But this is not a problem because the software can handle it. To continue, apply some floor materials. Move your cursor to the bedroom and double click with the left mouse button. In this Modify Room dialog box, you can apply a solid color or a texture to your floor. If you have a base texture set, which comes with the software by default, you can find only a couple of textures here. If you are looking for more textures, go to sweethome3d.com and download and import the official texture libraries. Once it's done, just select one of them, then click OK twice. Repeat the same process in the other rooms as well. If you are not happy with the scale or the orientation of the texture, then double click on the floor with the left mouse button, and in this dialog box, go back to Texture, click this button, and here you can change the offset, the angle, and the scale. After the changes, click OK twice. Besides the floors, you can also apply textures to the walls as well. For example, double-click on the floor of the bedroom and go to the wall sides around the room section. Then enable this checkbox here. Select Texture and click this button. Then search for a wall paint, select it, and click Open. In this section, you can even add the baseboard to your wall. Just enable the checkbox, select Color, click this button, select the color, then click OK twice. You can see the new materials on the wall and the baseboard as well. In the bathroom, if you don't want the wall tiles to reach the ceiling, Just use this trick. As the first step, select Create Walls tool and start drawing a wall around your bathroom's floor. Once it's done, just select the new wall segment, right-click it, and select Modify Walls. Then, set its thickness to 0.2 inches. Also reduce the wall height to match the desired tile height. Next, select Texture, click this button. With the search bar, search for tiles, select the tile texture, then click OK. And click OK again. Next, add doors and windows to your plan. Enlarge the plan view area. Go to the furniture catalog on the left side. Select doors and windows. Select the model. Click and hold down the left mouse button. And drag the door to your plan. If the magnetism tool in the toolbar is active, you can place it directly inside the wall. If you want to modify your door, you can use these corner handles. Just click and hold them with the left mouse button. But you can also double click it with the left mouse button. And in this dialog box, you can set the precise dimensions, and you can also mirror the door if you want. In this section, you can apply colors and textures to it. After the changes, just click OK. Let's continue with the windows. Go back to the furniture catalog, select the window model, and drag it to your plan. Unfortunately, the floor plan doesn't include dimensions or heights, so just estimate reasonable sizes. If your own floor plan includes exact measurements, then double-click the window and edit it in the Modify Furniture window. Just with the doors, you can set the exact dimensions and locations here. In this section, you can adjust the elevation of the window. After the changes, click OK. Let's continue with the other windows as well. In the 3D view, you can check the changes of your windows. In the bathroom, if your tiles are still visible in front of the door, this means the thin wall is still far away from the original wall. Just zoom into the plan, select the tiled wall, and move this wall flush against the existing wall. In the right position, doors and windows will automatically cut openings in the thin wall. After adding the walls, floors, doors and windows, it's recommended to lock the base plan to avoid accidental editing. To do this, just right-click on the plan view area and select Lock Base Plan. Let's continue with furnishing the bathroom. Go to the furniture catalog, select bathroom, and add the fitted bath to your plan. You can also add the vanity and the toilet to your plan. If you are looking for mirrors or other accessories, you can download them directly from sweethome3d.com. After the bathroom, let's move on to the kitchen. Unfortunately, the floor plan is hardly visible because of the floor textures. To hide them, double-click on the floor and uncheck this Display Floor checkbox. Then click OK. Repeat the same on the other floor as well. As the next step, move to the furniture catalog, select Kitchen, and add the kitchen cabinet to your plan. Resize it according to your plan. Then select and add the cooker, and continue with the other cabinets. The base furniture library also includes a sink, so add this to your plan as well and resize it if needed. Once it's done, go back to the furniture catalog and add an upper cabinet to your plan and move it against the wall. Just make some copy of it. You can also add the fridge or other accessories to your plan. Just continue with bedroom furniture and just add the other furniture as well. If you want to group furniture for easier moving and editing, select all of them. Then right-click with your mouse and select Group Furniture. Now you can move and edit this furniture as a single object. Besides furniture, it's recommended to add lamps and invisible light sources to your plan. To do this, go to the Furniture catalog, select Lights, select the floor lamp, and drag it to your plan. These bulb icons represent the invisible light sources. Before creating the final renders, it's recommended to adjust the top color of your walls. To do this, go to the Home Plan area, press Ctrl A with your keyboard, then right-click on the walls, and select Modify Walls. In this section, you can change the top color of your walls in the 3D view, while here, you can set a different top pattern in the 2D view. After the changes, click OK. To create a render picture, go to the toolbar and click this Create Picture button. With this dialog, you can create a render of your 3D view. Just click the Create button here. If your plan is too small on your picture, move your cursor to the 3D view and scroll with your mouse wheel. Then create again. You can also adjust the camera angle with these arrows, or click and hold the left mouse button on the 3D view. If your render looks good, then you can increase the render quality. Just move the quality slider to the right side and click Create again. If you want to disable the sunlight, set the time to midnight and click Create again. If you need more light on your picture, add some invisible light sources and adjust them based on your needs. After adding some invisible light sources, it's recommended to disable Add Ceiling Lights in your render dialog. Then click Create again. If you are looking for the best render quality, move the slider to the right side and increase its resolution as well. Then click Create. Once the rendering is finished, click the Save button to save your picture. Set a file name and click Save. If you are looking for an eye-level render, right-click in the 3D view and select Virtual Visit. Then, move the visitor icon inside the room. Move the visitor icon and the corner handles to adjust your view. Once it's done, click Create again. Besides rendered pictures, you can also create render videos from your plan. Just go to the toolbar and select Create a Video button. As the next step, move your visitor and view to set the first camera position. Then click on this red button, move your visitor icon, and then click the red button again. This will create the next camera point. Repeat this process if you need more camera positions. Before rendering, you can check a preview with this play button. If you would like to create a video, click the Create button. Once it's done, click the Save button to save your video in an MOV format. For a higher quality, adjust this quality slider. To continue learning, check out the next video. And if you are new, start with the beginner course playlist.